Taylor Place. I'm with Cola Screen Printers, and I came to the Texsource class, 3-day class, because I wanted to learn something new. I have no experience screen printing, but while I was at the class, I got to learn some cool, neat ideas, learn how to do some cool printing. We got 4-color, we have a 6-color process here, and then we did a 2-color spot print. It came out awesome.
My name is David Friend. Actually starting a business, never touched this stuff before, brand new to all of it. So decided to take the class and see what I needed to know to get into this. Being a combat disabled Marine, now at 100% unemployable, it was one of the, I needed to find a purpose, needed to find something to do. And screen painting kind of goes in with what I love to do, which is hunting and fishing. There's not a huge market out there for photorealism on outdoor things as far as hunting and fishing. Most everything's almost animated looking. So, I mean, I came up with the idea to do something that looks lifelike, something that looks as real as what you actually catch. When I first came in here, there was zero confidence at all coming in, which is why I took the class. But as soon, the first print, realizing that it's not exactly easy, but it's nowhere as hard as you make it out to be. My confidence, first print, confidence went up, second print, confidence went up. And then the live photo print, I didn't think that was possible.
What I learned along the way is that there's a lot of bad techniques out here, but here at Texsource, they teach you the right ways of doing things that we can be proficient, and then everything that you make will be nice and always be the same. And that's supposed to be
So this is what you've been looking for.
This is it.
What's your thought?
I love it.